Hi everyone, Henry Purchase here, founder of SEOSpace, and in this video, I'm going to walk you through how to add and edit your meta description on Squarespace. Your meta description, sometimes called your SEO description, is this snippet of text that shows up on Google search results. So it's not only important for SEO, i.e. to get your website to rank higher up on Google for search terms your target customers search for. For example, you can see here my site ranks for Squarespace SEO plugin. So this not only helps me rank higher for the thing I want to show up for, but it's also super important for click-through rates. I.e., when you write a compelling SEO description, it makes it more likely that someone is going to click on your website. So for example, if you're ranking position 2 on Google, if you've got a compelling SEO description, it might make it more likely that someone actually clicks on yours as opposed to the first result or second result. So it's super, super important to get right. Fortunately, Squarespace does make it really easy in order to edit it. So just heading over to your Squarespace dashboard, I'm going to walk you through how to edit your meta description on Squarespace. Now, all I want you to do is head over to Pages. Now, of course, your website, this section here, you're going to have different pages to me, so it might look different, so don't worry. All I want you to do is head over to a page that you want to add or edit your meta description on and hover over this settings icon. Once this little page settings pops up, all I want you to do is head down to SEO. And then when you scroll down, you're going to see your SEO description. And from there, that's where you'll actually be able to edit your SEO or meta description for this specific web page that you've opened up on. Now, in general, you want your SEO description to be 150 to 160 characters long and include the main keyword that you want to rank for. So for example, this is my SEO course page. I want it to rank higher for Squarespace SEO course because I made the SEOSpace Academy. So I include the keyword Squarespace SEO course and make it between 150 to 160 characters long. Now, one thing I will say is this number here is actually the number of characters that Squarespace allows. So when you add it, this is actually the number of characters left. So you have to take away this number from 400 to see the length. So in this case, this is 155 characters, which is great. From there, you need to press save. Now, it is a little bit different for your homepage. For your homepage, when you click on settings, go to SEO, and then go to edit website SEO settings here. Editing your SEO description for your homepage is a little bit different. You actually edit it here. However, again, you follow the same best practices, 150 to 160 characters long, and include the main keyword. As you saw earlier, in this case, it would be Squarespace SEO plugin. Now, to make things a little bit easier, as I've already mentioned, I'm the founder of SEOSpace. I made the SEO plugin for Squarespace. And something that we've actually done, we've added the ability to automatically generate SEO descriptions based upon the content on a web page. So when you install SEOSpace and you scan a web page, if I scroll down to SEO description and open this up, here you're going to see the ability to generate an SEO description using AI. Now, in this case, I've already followed SEO best practices. If you haven't, it will show you what you need to do and how to follow that best practice for any area of SEO on your website. So all I'll do here is select the tone. I want it to be click-worthy so that it boosts click-through rates. And then if I press generate with AI, SEOSpace is going to generate the SEO description based upon the content. So as you can see here, all I need to do is copy, go over to the settings. This is my home page. So I'll need to go to edit website SEO settings and copy this SEO description here. Now, as is noted here, sometimes AI can make mistakes. So you need to double check that the character count is actually within the range that it should be. But hopefully that's going to give you a new, quicker and easier way in order to generate SEO descriptions that follow best practices and rank you higher up on Google. As you can see, SEOSpace's website is here. There you are, guys. Thanks a lot for watching this video. Please subscribe to SEOSpace's YouTube channel to get more Squarespace SEO tips. And hopefully I'll see you in the next video.